Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Before starting this video, I would kindly ask to like and subscribe. Doing this, you will be able to reach faster my content. Cheap watches, expensive watches, which one fits you best? Since this channel is made especially for Casio, I'm here to present you the MTP-1377, a dressy day-date watch, which has a great color combination. The case is made of metal, polished metal, having some brushed surfaces next to the lugs. The display is entirely black, having golden hands and golden Roman numbers. This configuration is pointing out that it is fabulous. I like it very much. There is also a little lume on each marker and on the hands, but it's not that strong. Nevertheless, it is acceptable. On the circumference of this display, we have some white markers for each second. This does not crowd the display at all. It points out that this watch is very precise. For sure, we have the logo and the water resistance of 100 meters. At 3 o'clock position, we have the date, weekday and the month day. The crown is working very easy and the adjustment is made with very high accuracy. For the case dimensions, I have brought the caliper, and now let's see the diameter of this watch. So it's 42 millimeters in diameter, crown included. Without crown for sure less, but I would not like to put it directly on the case because this caliper has metal edges and material for sure is stronger than the watches, therefore I would scratch it. Yes, I have ordered a plastic caliper from China, and in regards lug to lug is around 43 millimeters. The bracelet width it is 20 millimeters. Most of this type of Casios have the 20 millimeters. As you can see, this has no battery, and before replacing the battery I will try to present you a little the back case. So in order to have more access or a better access to the back case, we need to tear down the bracelet, and we do this by releasing this spring bar. So this is too thick, I will just use this one. Let's release this spring bar in order to have a better visibility on the back case. Here we have the back case. We see that higher end models have a better engraved in design on the back case. For sure there is the same information, the Casio logo, the Japan movement, and that it is cased in China. We have the information that is made of stainless steel, the water resistance of 10 bars, the module number 5339 and the model name MTP-1377. We see these extrusions on the side of the back case, which means that this back case is tightened. So we have threads on the case and on the back case so that you can tighten it. This tightening system assures higher water resistance. In order to untighten the back case, I have this tool, and here we have some holes in which I need to put the special endings which would fit in the back case gaps. Okay, good. Now it works with the just by the force of the fingers. Have here the rubber seal, and we have the model in it. Let's take down this plastic that secures the module. We will take it out just to have the possibility of removing the battery. So we have here an SR920SW battery. It is a Maxell battery. Here we have the information engraved for this module. It's written in here too, not sure what it is, but it has no jewels, and it is an Epson movement, and here is the name of the movement, the part number of the movement by Epson, so it's BX43E. We take down the battery. Yeah, we need to find a small gap so that we could remove the battery. So this is the old battery, and this is the new battery. It is Murata SR920SW, and insert it in the watch. You have to be a little careful because I'm not sure if it is visible on the camera, but here it is a clips with some shoulder that is pressing down the battery, and it also fixates it. I can hear the movement, and yes, it works. So the battery is good. Now I'm not sure if this analog quartz movement has the AC resetting possibility, but since the watch works, I guess the AC resetting feature is related to the digital watches. But since it works, I will just put it back, close it. Let's not forget and close the bracelet, so we have to put it again. The spring bar, the replacement battery process is completed. We have heard 2 clicks, means that the bracelet is closed correctly. Secured. We have replaced the battery. We can see that the watch works, and let's now see how this model works. In order to adjust the time, it's very easy. Pull out the crown for 2 clicks, and then you move the arrows either to the left, either to the right, which one is best for you. Yeah, we can see also that rotating the hands, the date will also move. But it's not necessary to do this. Now the time is, it moves also the weekday. And this, now the time is 8:48. And done. In order to adjust the date, pull out the crown 1 time. Good, we can see that the second arrow will still move. And now if we rotate to right, so towards you, we can adjust the day of the month, and today is the 24th. Yes, and in order to adjust the day of the week, we need to rotate to the left. Today is Wednesday. Opa. Okay, we can see Thursday and jeudi, so it is bilingual watch. Friday, viernes, I'm not sure which is the second language. Saturday, sabatum, I guess it's Italian. Anyway, it is a Latin language for sure. Sunday, dominica, close to Romanian. Monday, lundi, Tuesday, mardi, and Wednesday. And that's all. This would be the adjustment of the watch. We have here a standard bracelet with huge links divided in 3 columns. Most of the bracelet is brushed, having some polished lines, and this is very good because it's more resistant to scratches. At least they are not that visible. The clasp is very small. It is a small one, having just 2 adjustment points here. Casio seems that it has sacrificed its practicability for the aspect. The clasp is opening by pressing these two clips from its edges. For sure, it is also brushed, having the Casio logo on it. I see also a small gap in between the bracelet endings and the last link. I'm not sure, I guess in time this gap will increase and we will have like the issue that I do not like for the AE1200. This is how the watch would look on the hand. I love the color combination very much. It is a great watch. It is more like a dressy watch for sure, at least from my point of view. I see some scratches under this strong light. I guess this watch was worn also in the past pretty often, but I have watches that are way more scratched than this one. Okay, let me guys hear you in the comments about your opinion about this watch. What do you think? What Casio needs to do in order to avoid these gaps on the links of the bracelet? To be honest, I do not like them. Yeah, overall it's a great watch. I like it. Thank you for your attention and wish you the best.